Hi! In front of me is TCL 30, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Start by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and install this free app, DevCheck Hardware and System Info from this developer. Then just open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your devices, dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!